Hello, friends. Let's explore a short and enjoyable story about Melisa and practice our English along the way. Today, I will tell you about Melisa's cooking night at the dorm. It was a quiet Friday evening at the university dormitory in New York. Melisa, a 20-year-old student from Ukraine, had a special idea. She missed the taste of home and wanted to share a piece of her culture with her friends. So she decided to cook a traditional Ukrainian dinner. Borscht and nalysniki, thin pancakes filled with sweet cheese. Melisa put on her apron and went to the shared dorm kitchen. She had bought all the ingredients earlier: beets, cabbage, potatoes, carrots, onions, garlic, tomato paste, and fresh dill. The smell of frying carrots and boiling vegetables soon filled the air. While the borscht was slowly cooking, she started making nalysniki. Melisa mixed the batter carefully and made the thin pancakes one by one. Then, she prepared the sweet cheese filling with a bit of vanilla and sugar. She rolled the pancakes and placed them in a dish ready to serve with sour cream. One by one, her dorm friends started coming into the kitchen, curious about the amazing smells. "What are you cooking?" asked Sarah, her roommate. "It smells delicious." Melisa smiled and told them all about borscht, a beetroot soup that is Ukrainian traditional dish and very popular in her country. Later that evening, Melisa set the table in the common room. She served borscht, the warm red soup with a spoon of sour cream and fresh bread. Her friends tasted it and loved it. Some had never tried beets before, but they were surprised how rich and comforting the soup was. Later, Melisa passed to the sweet part. She served the nalysniki. Everyone enjoyed the soft, sweet pancakes. "This is the best dinner I've had for the last few years," said Leo from Brazil. "Can you teach me the recipe?" added Mia from Korea. They spent the evening talking, laughing, and sharing stories about their countries. Melisa felt warm inside. Cooking had brought everyone together. That night, she felt closer to home and closer to her new friends. It wasn't just about food. It was about culture, love, and connection. Melisa's cooking night turned into a memory she would never forget. I'd love to know, what food do you enjoy the most? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you liked the story, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.